Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain you how to check if a given triangle is valid and determine its type, whether it's equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. We will start with an algorithm, visualize it with a flowchart, and then implement it in a program. Let's start the session. Write an algorithm, draw a flowchart, and develop a program to check if a triangle is valid and its type is equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. First of all, for equilateral triangle, AB equal to BC or equal to AC, where AB, BC, and AC are the sides of the equilateral triangle. Mean all three sides must have a same length or same angle. We can say that is equilateral triangle. For isosceles triangle, it must be two sides should be equal. And for scalene triangle, it's a triangle that has all its sides of different lengths. That is called scalene triangle, where value of A equal to 5 and value of B equal to 5 and C equal to C. First of all, we will start by this symbol. That is start symbol, then we will get the value of A, B, and C. Suppose I have given the value, and after this I will check that if A plus B greater than equal to C and A plus C greater than equal to B and B plus C greater than A. If this condition, if all these given conditions are true, then it will move to this path. That is output is triangle is valid. In this case, triangle is valid, and then it will move to the next part. And here they will check that if A equal to B or equal to C. In case of yes, it will show equilateral triangle. And if it will not equal, then it will move to the no part. In no part, they will check it again. If A equal to B or B equal to C or C equal to A. Mean any two sides are equal, then it will says that this is the isosceles triangle. And if that's not equal, this condition, no one condition will be true, then it will move to the no side, and it will shows that this is scalene triangle. Means no one side is equal to each other. And in case of no, in this case, if you have no, for example, if this condition is not true, A plus B greater than equal to C, any one of these three conditions will not true, then it will display that output is triangle is not a valid. And after this, program will move to the end statement here like this. And last, all these same value I'm going to test in a algorithm. Okay, first of all, input three sides in terms of A, B, and C, where value of A equal to 5, B equal to 5, and C equal to also 5. It will ask me to check the condition if A plus B greater than C and A plus C greater than B and if B plus C greater than A, then 5 plus 5, 10 greater than equal to 5. Next one is 10 greater than equal to 5 and 10 greater than equal to 5. Then in case 10 greater than 5, that condition is true. Another condition, that is second condition, 10 greater than 5 is also true, and third condition is also true, that is 10 greater than 5. In this case, this condition will return whole as a whole, result will be true. In case of true, the line number 11 and 12 will be skipped, will be ignored, and then our control will move to the next line, that is line number 2. In line number 2, if A equal to B and B equal to C, then it will check that 5 equal to 5 and 5 equal to 5 means this one is also equal. Okay, both conditions are true. In case of true, the else part will be skipped, that is start from line number 4 to onward. Okay, then our control move to the next statement inside the if statement, that is return equilateral triangle. It will display equilateral triangle, or this function return this string equilateral triangle. I'm getting another input, A equal to 5, B equal to 5, and C equal to 6. In this case, 5 plus 5, 10 greater than 6, and 11 greater than 5, and 11 greater than 5. 10 greater than 6 condition is true, 11 greater than 5 and 11 greater than 5. All these three conditions are true. In case of true, it will return as a whole true statement, mean true condition. And in case of true condition, again line number 11 and line number 12 will be skipped here, and then our control move to line number 2, and in that case it's checking the value of a equal to b. They are going to check whether both sides are equal, or means all these three sides are equal or not. Equal to 5, yes. 5 equal to 6, no, this is false. In case of false, it will return true statement, and line number 3 will be skipped or ignored. Then it will move to line number 5. If a equal to b, they are going to check whether any two sides are equal. If a equal to b, or a equal to c, or b equal to c, then it will shows that in this case 5 equal to 5, or 5 equal to 6, or 5 equal to 6. This condition is true, this condition is not true, this condition is not true, because here the case is or. If any one of the condition is true, their resultant value will be true, and in this case this is true. And then it will display isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, mean 5 or 5a and 5b are equal. Then it will move, we are checking in third conditions. If a equal to 6, b equal to 5, and c equal to 8, then it will move to check 11 greater than 8, and 14 greater than 5, and 13 greater than 6. 11 greater than 8 is true, 14 greater than 5 is true, 13 greater than 6 is also true, and then overall result will be true. Then line number 11 and 12 will be ignored. Then it will move to line number 2. If a equal to b and b equal to c, then it will check that whether all three sides are equal or not. In this case, 6 equal to 5 and 5 equal to 2, 5 equal to 8, that both are false statement. Then it will move, then it will overall result will be false, and then it will line number 3 will be skipped. No, they are checking that if a equal to b, or a equal to c, b equal to c, then they will display isosceles triangle. We are going to check the value. 6 equal to 5, no. 6 equal to 8, no. 5 equal to 8, no. Then it will be all these three conditions returning are showing the false statement, and in between them is or. None of the condition is true, so overall result will be false. And this line number 5, 6 will be ignored, and then it will move to control, will move to the else part, that is on line number 8, return scalene triangle. It will display scalene triangle. Then we are going to check if I am going to enter 1, 2, 3, then in this case the value of 1 plus 2 greater than 3, it will becomes 3 greater than 3, and 1 plus 3, it will become 4, 4 greater than 2, and 5 greater than 1. Then first condition, 3 greater than 3, false. 4 greater than 2, 4 greater than 2, it's true. 5 greater than 1, that is also true. But in between them is AND statement. AND operator is there. And you know that all the condition will be true, then AND will return true statement. In this case, it will return false statement, and full part of the if statement will be ignored or skipped from line number 2 to line number 11. Then it will move to the else part. In else part, we have displayed that not a valid triangle. This is a complete program. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.